is the launching hub. People are little bit afraid with Africa. Minings are there, scrap is there. There is no match with RAA, with any association or organization. Dubai is the launching hub. Who are belongs to our industry, recycling industry. They are comfortable to come Dubai, and Dubai is easy accessible. We introduce RAA from the recycling world. So that's why we choose Dubai, and our next event will be in Africa. People are not easy to reach Africa. People are little bit afraid with Africa, but it's not like that. So that's why we are trying to open a hidden door in front of the recycling world, that Africa is an opportunity to do the business. But Africa is the main role played in our industry, that where materials come from. Minings are there, even the scrap is there, lack of factories are over there. So that's why scrap is coming out from the Africa. How it's easy to do business with Africa, and every corner of Africa there is an opportunity for recyclers. There is no match with RAA, with any association or organization, because Africa, it was not wide open for each and everybody. We are trying to open this door in front of the world. I'm paying to 4 or 5 associations around yearly more than $20,000. If any recycler is a member in any association or organization, locally or internationally, who is eligible for special discount in RAA, cannot pay excess value which he is paying already. So this is our purpose, to benefit our recyclers. If we need our reach to every corner of the world, definitely we need a wide wing. Recyclers are available. Our reach must be over there. We are going to organize an event for the awareness of Africa, opportunity in Africa. Our industry will get benefit out of RAA. I want to invite each and every recycler who deals in metals and metal scrap, or in any recycling scrap or materials, most welcome to join RAA First Conference, which will held in Dubai on 15th of March 2023.